Bilang pangangaroling, kumakatok po kami sa inyong mga puso. Hindi po kami humingi ng pinansyal na bagay o mga material na bagay tulad na ginagawa nila sa pangaling. Kundi humihingi lang po kami tulong sa pag-like ng aming Facebook! Wait lang.
Ano pang pakilala?
1, 2, 3, go!
Wala naman ako sa video.
Ano kayo? Pag nangangaroling kayo kabataan, magkano madalas ang nakukuha ninyo?
100.
Nang
80 pesos.
humihingi ba kayo ng pasalamat?
Opo.
Sige.
Medyo po.
Kapasala kayo.
Memorize Eagles and boys standing dancers on the street. I remember the child in the manger as it seems. Whenever there are people giving gifts, exchanging cards, I believe that Christmas is truly in our hearts. Like a Christmas Eve or a bright tomorrow, where is gonna be, and all I want is God. Let's sing Merry Christmas and a Happy Holiday. This season may we never forget the love we have for Jesus. Let us be the ones who guide us as another new year starts, and may the spirit of Christmas be always in our hearts.
At ayan po ang short caroling ng mga Esguera, girls and
Boys!
Kami ang Esguera Little Angels. Annyeong! Bye-bye!